Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to create and edit a coursework template in the staff portal. It's simple. Before that, let's go over the coursework process. First, teachers first create a template, then assign it to their students or attach it to a specific course so it's not a repetitive task. Once that's done, you just wait for the students to complete it. Only then can you mark the coursework and share the results. Now let's move on to creating a template. It's simple. In the navigation menu, click Tools, then select Coursework. Under Template tab, choose Create Template to begin building your coursework. This will pull up a page. Now type the coursework title. Provide a brief description of its purpose and select the appropriate subject from the drop-down menu. Once the details are complete, you can start adding questions. Let's type in the first question. Next, choose a question type from the drop-down, like multiple choice or short answer. Let's pick paragraph type. Don't forget to set a point value for this question here. You can also mark the correct answer here, but it's totally up to you. If needed, you can upload supporting files like images, videos, or audio by clicking Upload File. You can also import, duplicate, save to the question bank, or delete the question you just made. And just like that, the first question is complete. You can add the next question by clicking on the plus icon here or the Add Question button. This time, let's try something different. Let's import a question from the question bank instead. Click the icon to access all your ready-made questions. I'm picking this one. There you have it. Second question is done. Once you've added all your questions, click Save and Complete to finalize and save your coursework. It's automatically listed in the Templates tab. Want to edit an existing coursework template? Let's walk through it together. You'll remain on the coursework page under the Templates tab. In the coursework template, locate the coursework you want to edit. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find it. Once you've found the coursework, go to the Actions column and click the three-dot menu next to the coursework. From the drop-down, select Edit to open the coursework editor. Now it's time to make your changes. You can update the coursework details, manage the questions, add, edit, or delete them, and adjust the total marks as needed. When all changes are complete, click the Save and Complete button to finalize your changes. That's all there is to it. With your coursework created, you're now ready to assign them. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.